Hurricanes stand as one of nature's greatest displays of power, relentless, precise, and unyielding in their force. Inspired by this strength, Kirloskar Pneumatic channels the same energy through indigenous R&D and in-house innovation, delivering reliability, efficiency, and oil-free performance with world-class aerodynamics and indigenous design crafted for global needs. Tezcatlipoca, a centrifugal air compressor. Each Tezcatlipoca machine is compact, canopy-ready, and customizable, tailored for exact flow and pressure requirements with custom aerodynamics and in-house design to maximize efficiency and energy savings, making it ideal for diverse industry segments such as steel, power, chemical, fertilizer, cement, automobile, tire, mining, pharmaceutical, textile and paper, where it serves critical applications including instrument air, pneumatic conveying, plant automation, ash and coal handling, dust separation, knitting, weaving and more. Tezcatlipoca integrates precision-engineered components including a suction filter, inlet guide vane, impellers, diffusers,
main oil pump,
volutes, intercoolers, aftercooler, vibration monitoring and remote monitoring system, lubrication system, oil cooler with PHE and shell and tube as an alternative, gearbox, bearing, lubricant seals and blow-off valve. From casting, forging to precision machining, all vital components are manufactured in-house, reinforcing our commitment to quality and reliability. The air enters through the suction filter with a two-stage filtration system delivering 99% efficiency, ensuring only clean air reaches the compressor. The inlet guide vane precisely regulates flow with advanced control, delivering significant energy savings over conventional valves. It then moves into the impeller eye, where the stainless steel impeller manufactured in-house on a dedicated 5-axis milling machine with a backwards curved design adds kinetic energy by accelerating airflow at high speed. The energy converts into pressure as the air passes through precisely shaped diffusers and volutes. Intercoolers and aftercooler lower the temperature for better compressor efficiency. The tube bundles across all three coolers are designed identically, making them fully interchangeable and thereby significantly reducing inventory costs. While the globe-type blow-off valves ensures precise air control. The compressor's oil circuit, where oil comes from the reservoir and gets cooled in the oil cooler and then passes through a filter to remove impurities. From there, it is supplied to the compressor gearbox, where it lubricates the core moving components. Robust lubricant seals ensures there's no leakage between the air and oil circuit. The gearbox, bearings and lubrication system work together to provide durability, protection and a long service life. Built to API 672 standard, Tezcatlipoca ensures a continuous, reliable supply of 100% oil-free compressed air for various critical applications. The patented K-Logix control panel put intelligence at your fingertips with an adaptive digital display, remote monitoring, and predictive maintenance features. It enhances uptime, simplifies operation, and ensures complete command over every stage of the process. Performance data is shown in a more interactive and smart graphical way, helping the user to understand the performance more easily. Kirloskar is more than a compressor manufacturer. With dryers, receivers, interconnecting piping, cabling, and instrumentation, we provide complete tailor-made turnkey solutions. An unparalleled comprehensive package, all engineered, integrated and delivered by a single trusted partner for limitless possibilities. Tezcatlipoca, engineered in India, built for the world, is powered by innovation and designed to deliver oil-free air, reliable performance and unmatched value for every industry. Kirloskar, truly limitless.